Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Midnight Bluebeam Jazzy X. Now, as standard on these Jazzy X's, you do get full LED daytime running lights, you get 4 front parking sensors, and you do also get LED fog lights. You also get these 16-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in. But most importantly, just so you can see the design pattern that you do get on this car. On these alloys, sorry. Now, moving to the rear now, you've got 4 rear parking sensors. You've also got a nice little reversing camera up there just to make this thing even easier to park. We've got plenty of room in the tailgate, as you can see. We've got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats as well. Moving around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, you can see we have your cloth grey with white leather interior. We've got Isofix mounting points down at the bottom as well. We've got full keyless entry, full keyless start. Jumping inside, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your economy mode, and we've also got your eCVT gearbox. We've got climate control in the front with 2 front heated seats, and then we've also got your 10.5-inch display in the middle. This comes with your personal assistant, satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free, DAB, Bluetooth audio. You can see all the sources just there, and you do also have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. As I said to you earlier, you can see you've got the reverse camera just here, and you do have a nice bit of additional storage just there. We've got a nice multifunction steering wheel as well. We've got your volume controls, track select, voice assistant, and your onboard computer controls. We've then got your speed limiter and cruise control on the right with your lane keep and distance control with your heated steering wheel down at the bottom. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 3,447 miles. Jumping back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this 1.5 Jazz, do not hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.